Hey everyone, meet Sky. Now today I'm about to give Sky a bath and brush her teeth. Guess what? I never did none of this. Never. And she do get a bath every week. She do go to the groomer once a month. And she gets her teeth brushed. But I'm about to do it today because I never did it. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do it for you today, Sky. Are you ready? Now, if this is your first time tuning into the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can keep up with all the vlogs that I post. Now, let's go act like a groomer and a dentist. Nature's Miracle in stores for your pets near you. The nature is good and it's near you. I gotta give you a bath, baby. Gotta give you a bath. Make sure that dog is clean. You don't like this word in your face, huh, Sky? No, it's okay. Now everyone, we're gonna take her out and dry her off. How was the bath, Sky? Did you enjoy yourself, huh? You're a good dog. Alright. Alright, Sky, let's get you dried off so you can be pretty dog. Pretty clean dog. Not a dirty dog no more. Yeah. Where you going? She don't like this. Don't you like it, like it, like it, like it, like it, like it, like it. I like it, like it, like it, like it, like it, like it, like it. She get the zoomies after she take a bath. I gotcha. She love these toys. She plays like a child. Alright, let's get you calmed up. Let's get beautiful. Let's get beautiful. Let's get beautiful. Let's get beautiful. Hey guys, I'm going to show you a picture right here of her when she go to the groom. She get a lot of her hair cut off and she looks like a
boy.
A homeboy. The bow makes her look like a girl though. Here. Let's get some of this hair done. Let's get your face done. Alright, I'm gonna finish up getting her combed down. And then we're going to brush her teeth. Alright guys, this is the part that needs to be done. Sky breath sometimes be smelling like piss and cootie cat. And I don't like that. So her breath smells like, I'm like, God darn, Sky, you got some stinking breath. So right now, I am going to brush her teeth. Alright, first guys, you have to take some of the toothpaste and put a little bit on your finger for her to taste it first. Try it, Sky.
But like,
alright, Sky. We gotta brush your teeth, Mama. Alright, there we go. I know. Come on, I gotta get you. Definitely want that nasty tongue of yours. I wanted to brush her tongue, but she would not let me brush her tongue because her breath sometimes smell like stray butthole. Sky, you did a great job, little girl. Very great job. This dog loves toys. This is just some of her toys she liked to play with. When I tell you she loves toys, she loves her some toys. Look at all these toys. Now look, I am going to show you her favorite toy. Now guys, this right here is her favorite toy. Watch. See? See? You see her? Love it. Get it. Alright guys, just like you take care of your kids, you gotta take care of your dog. Now, to be honest with you guys, I never thought like having a dog, you have to do all this stuff for it. Just get a dog, runs around the house, the kids play with the dog, kick the dog around, throw the dog downstairs. That's what the kids do. So you just be like, oh, it's the dog, feed it, take it for a walk, let it poo-poo, do its thing, and that's it. But no. You gotta take the dog to doctor's appointments. You have to take the dog to the dentist when the teeth get bad. You gotta take the dog to the doctor when he gets sick. You gotta wash the dog. You gotta get the dog groomed. You gotta do so much for the dog, and the dogs be so needy. It's like having a child, so if you don't have kids, get a dog first. Because it's just like having one. Besides with kids, you gotta change poo-poo diapers. Alright guys, after a good bath, she likes to go for a walk. Because she has the zoomies running everywhere. So we're gonna take her down to the dog park and let her walk and run and play and enjoy her day. Look at her. She's chilling, taking that doo-doo. Jumping for it.
Go get it, Sky. Go get it, girlie. Sky.
Hey, if this is your first time tuning into the channel, I'm gonna let Sky Tour tell you.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell every time you can keep up with all Tim J vlogs. Until next time, see you guys later. See you guys later. See you guys later.